What's up, guys? So in this video I wanted to explain to you guys an important aspect of trading that is often disregarded by most retail traders. This is mainly because it's very simple and traders often don't consider its importance. Of course, I'm talking about understanding trends and implementing them into your trading. First, let's define a trend. According to the English dictionary, a trend is a general direction in which something is developing or changing. Therefore, as in the definition, we must first know if the trend is heading upwards or downwards, if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So let me give you guys an example. So in this example, we can see that the market is rising. Therefore, we classify the trend as an uptrend. Now, what is an uptrend? An uptrend is a series of higher lows and higher highs following each other, as you can see on this drawing. If you have this idea in mind, it's very easy to identify the swing lows and swing highs of a trend. As you can see here, we have a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and so on. We can also notice that this swing low is higher than this previous low, and this high is above the last high, confirming an uptrend on this area of the chart. Now, when looking for a downtrend, we need to find a series of lower highs and lower lows following each other. As you guys can see on this chart, we have exactly that. And by now, I'm sure identifying swing highs and swing lows is of second nature for you guys. So here we have lower high and lower low and so on, therefore qualifying this trend as a downtrend. After this video, I highly recommend that you guys go on a random chart and you try to identify the trend as well as the swing highs and swing lows, as it will help for the following strategy I'm going to talk about. So how do you use trends to make money? There are a lot of ways. However, I'm going to talk about a strategy I have developed using the 1-minute chart. Therefore, let's hop on the 1-minute chart in order for me to explain this highly profitable strategy. This 1-minute system is based on a change in trend. So again, I have this for you guys. Feel free to screenshot it if you want to. So first you need to identify the trend and draw the respective trend line. Then you need to wait for the break of this trend line, and finally you have to wait for a lower high if the initial trend was an uptrend, or a higher low if the initial trend was a downtrend. Now let me show you guys how this strategy works on an actual chart. So here's our trend. As you can see, we have higher lows and higher highs following each other. We can therefore qualify this trend as an uptrend. As we draw our trend line, we remark that it eventually breaks, as the longer the trend runs, the higher the chance there is for it to break. Therefore, this break is what is in our interest. Now, according to the strategy, we must wait for the first lower high to appear in order to place a short position. Using the 2-bar breakout strategy I talked about in my last video, our entry would be right here, and as you can observe, this would have been a highly profitable trade. Now this is the example where we have a downtrend as our initial trend. Again, we look for a break of the main trend line, which for instance happened here. And now, in reverse to the other example, we wait for the first higher low to form before considering to enter. If you apply the strategy correctly, you will be correct more than 80% of the time, as seen on this spreadsheet where I backtested this system over 10 trades and won 90% of them. However, mathematically, as you take more trades, this percentage will slightly decrease. That is why I said above 80%. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some value in it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.